Tired of wasting time and money on painful hair removal methods that barely work? Well, not anymore. Today, I'm showing you the 5 best laser hair removers on Amazon that actually delivers salon-quality results right at home. From budget-friendly picks to professional-grade devices, I'll break down what makes each one worth your money. And yes, I'll share both the pros and cons so you can choose wisely. Let's get started. Number 1. Overall best pick, Braun IPL Silk Expert Pro latest generation. The Braun IPL Silk Expert Pro 5 PL5157 is a premium at-home hair removal device that truly stands out for its effectiveness and comfort. It noticeably reduces hair growth after just a few sessions, and the SensoAdapt technology automatically adjusts to your skin tone, making treatment safe and precise. The flashes are quick, and the device covers large areas fast, saving time compared to salon sessions. The precision head is great for smaller areas like underarms or the face. One downside is the price. It's on the higher side. But given the long-term results and build quality, it's a solid investment for smooth, hair-free skin at home. Number 2. My second best pick, Inza IPL Hair Removal. If you're looking for an accessible at-home IPL device, this unit delivers some real wins. The built-in ice cooling plate makes the treatment feel much gentler on sensitive areas like underarms and bikini line. It noticeably reduces the stinging sensation and skin redness I usually get with light pulses. The 999,999 flash count means you're unlikely to run out of device lifespan anytime soon, which is a smart long-term value. On the downside, you'll need to stay consistent with treatment sessions, 2 to 3 per week initially, and results won't be instantaneous. Expect a few weeks of use before you see meaningful reduction. Overall, strong budget-friendly device if you're willing to commit to the routine. Number 3. My third best pick, laser hair removal for women. If you're looking for an all-in-one at-home hair removal solution, this device delivers standout features. The built-in ice cooling plate makes sessions much gentler on sensitive zones like the underarms and bikini line. It's far more comfortable than some other IPL tools. The whopping 999,999 flash limit means you're unlikely to run out of device lifetime anytime soon, which is a nice bonus for full-body use. On the downside, the corded design means you'll be tied to an outlet rather than freely cordless, which can make use on certain areas a bit cumbersome. Overall, strong value for the price if you're willing to commit to consistent treatments. Number 4. My fourth best pick, facial hair remover for women. If you're after a compact device to tackle facial and light body hair, this epilator stands out in a few good ways. The portability is great. It's lightweight and easy to pack for travel or quick touch-ups on the chin, upper lip, or cheeks. The gift set aspect, shaver plus accessories, adds value. And the painless shaver mode feels gentler than classic tweezing. On the flip side, on thicker hairs or larger areas, it can be slow, and you may still feel a bit of tugging, especially if your skin is sensitive. Also, since it's primarily designed for face and smaller zones, it might not be ideal for full leg or heavy body hair removal. Overall, a good value pick for light facial grooming, but temper expectations if you have more intensive hair removal needs. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Wreath APL Laser Hair Removal Device. I've been using this device for a few weeks, and it's a surprisingly comfortable at-home solution. The 45-degree F ice cooling contact really does make a difference. Treatments on underarms and bikini line felt far gentler than typical IPL flashes. The claim of around 86% hair reduction in about 3 weeks seems realistic. I already see visibly finer and sparser hair on my legs and arms. On the downside, it's corded, so you'll need to stay near a power outlet, which isn't ideal for treatment in awkward positions. Also, the full effect still requires consistency and multiple sessions. If you're committed to the routine and have light to medium skin with darker hair, this is a very solid home hair removal pick. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite laser hair remover? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're writing.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.